To make Tuwo Shinkafa, you need a very soft variety of rice. Here is the long-grain parboiled rice we normally use for Nigerian recipes. And this is the rice that I'll use for Tuwo Shinkafa. Any rice that easily becomes soggy when being cooked is perfect for this meal. Rinse the rice in cold water. Put in a sizable pot and pour just enough water to cover the rice and start cooking at medium heat. When the first dose of water dries up, check the rice by pressing on it. If it has even a tiny resistance when you press the grain, then it needs to be cooked some more. Reduce the heat to low, add a little bit more water and continue cooking till the water dries up. Repeat the process till the rice is so soft that it melts when you press on it. Once you're happy, mash the rice with a wooden spatula like this. The trick is to mash and at the same time move small quantities of rice towards you. Fold over and repeat till the rice grains have turned into a mass of tuwo. Cover and leave it to steam for about 2 minutes. Mix again and dish serving quantities onto a thin plastic film and wrap them up. You can also serve them in smaller bowls like this. Tuwo Shinkafa is served with any Nigerian soup. I love it with okra soup. Enjoy!